Tsangma lakar thang yekshu tungar thujin la tashdele. Nga lok tu Tenzin Lodhen yin. Nge nga lok tu shi yin. Tering nge kenam la yekshu tungar thujin la inchi thopne geja sheki yin.
Tashdele nga chimei nga lo choksami nga London la degio. Tering nga Christmas kola geja sheki yin.
The celebration of Christmas has a rich history which dates back centuries. It began as a Christian feast day commemorating the birth of Jesus Christ on 25th of December. The day before Christmas is called Christmas Eve. This is celebrated on the 24th of December. It is a significant part of the Christmas festivities as it is the preparation for the upcoming celebrations. To celebrate, people attend church services, family gatherings, eat special meals, sing carols, etc.
During Christmas sometimes, houses, cars and roads are covered in white. This is known as a white Christmas and although not as common, helps spread the Christmas joy and spirit that comes with it. Christmas in the UK is a very important time for many, like how Diwali is for Hindus and Gandengachu is for Buddhists. Christians celebrate Christmas by putting up lights in the street and their homes, like how Hindus celebrate Diwali by lighting candles and how Buddhists celebrate Gandengachu by lighting a bottle lamp.
On Christmas Day, some practices that people do is gift exchanging, eating dinner together and playing games. Similarly, at London Tibetan School of Language and Culture, we participate in Secret Santa and eat in groups yearly. The following day is Boxing Day, celebrated on the 26th of October. The common belief is that Boxing Day originated in the Middle Ages when the wealthy would give boxes or gifts to their servants or less fortunate people. Nowadays, Boxing Day has evolved into a public holiday and for its activities such as shopping and attending sporting events. During the Christmas holidays, many people decorate their houses inside or outside. Common things you'll find are Christmas trees decorated with festive ornaments and multicolored lights.
During Christmas, people also celebrate Christmas in schools by putting up performances known as nativities. These nativities help raise money for the poor and the community around them and help encourage people to learn more about the religion that they celebrate. Another very important symbol in Christmas is Santa and his sleigh. Santa's sleigh is pulled by 9 animals known as reindeer. These reindeer are very popular in Christian belief as they symbolize creativity and refer to Santa's home in the North Pole.
If I want to tell you the best lighting in London, it would have to be Regent Street. Regent Street is known for its various beautiful Christmas lights and the designer shops decorated in unique patterns.
Overall, I believe that Christmas is a fun time that can be celebrated by anyone regardless of faith. I hope you get whatever you want. Tachanang.
My 3 questions are, why do the colours red and green represent Christmas? Why do they eat turkey in Christmas? And what is the significance of Christmas trees? Tsangma yekshu tungar thujin gibo yongwe Tering Londonney nga la geja shea kokap nangwar tuji che la piin.